Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I make banana pudding. The ingredients are listed below. Start by making the instant pudding mix by combining milk and the pudding powder. Mix it until it has thickened. Then refrigerate to set. Prepare the bananas and slice it evenly. In a deep container, add your cookies and arrange it as first layer, followed by the bananas as second layer. Take out the pudding from the fridge and put the all-purpose cream and mix it together until no lumps remain. Once done, add it as the third layer. Repeat the process until you reach the top, and add the cookies as the final layer. Refrigerate for at least 10 minutes and serve. Enjoy!